The Southern African Development Community SADC will hold the 44th Ordinary Summit of Head of States and Government in Harare, Republic of Zimbabwe on 17 August 2024. The 44th SADC Summit will be held under the theme Promoting Innovation to Unlock Opportunities for Sustained Economic Growth and Development Towards an Industrialized SADC. Sambe na mashoko update omzara naspa yendo ye SADC. I want to subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipina wanyora vachiti. The theme calls for the region to collectively harness science, technology and innovation to support the modernization and industrialization of the SADC region. During the 44th SADC Summit, His Excellency Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa, President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, will take over the chairmanship of SADC from His Excellency Mr. Manuel Gonçalves Lourenço, President of the Republic of Angola. Among some of the key issues, the 44th SADC Summit will receive the report of the chairperson of the organ on politics, defense and security cooperation, review progress on the implementation of the priorities of the SADC region indicative strategic development plan RISDP 2020-2030. Receive update of the food security and impact of El Nino induced drought and floods in SADC region, and progress on the implementation of the 43rd SADC Summit theme, which is human and financial capital, the key drivers for sustainable industrialization in the SADC region. Do mashukana update on the SADC. Tudzema funguro enyu pene comment section medu. Amsanga no subscribe or like, turn on the bell.